The structure of silver is similar to the structure of gold. They are both very precious, and we like to dive into the structure to look at for the break of structure. We have here support structure, a breakout of a support structure, followed by a retest, followed by a retest, a breakout of the resistance structure, followed by a retest, followed by a retest, followed by a retest, another retest, and the price right now it's at the middle. It is best to wait for price to retest the high. You sell from the new high or you buy from the floor. So this is a buy angle. This is a buy support angle. This is also another buy angle. This is the floor of the channel. This is the roof. This is the floor. This is the roof. So this is another structure, another buy structure, which we like to. Why is this a buy structure? We have here a support structure, break of a support structure, retest, break of a resistance structure, retest. It's within the zone. If we are to make a zone for this trade, it's within the zone. So let's just do that. Let's just do it. It's do that too much. Man, we want to see price return back into the zone. So these are buying zone. So we want to see price return into the zone. We have here support structure, break of a support structure, retest, breakout of a resistance structure, retest, retest, break of a support structure, retest, break of a resistance structure, retest. I want price to return into this box for a buy. Then we have the ultimate floor, an ascending trend line, SR. So we want to see how price play into the floor for 4 hours. In a more severe situation, we want to see price return to the SR level. And we have from the roof side, RS. We also be watching critically how price makes its way into the roof with an ascending trend line which have held price firmly. And every time price touches the roof, it's always a massive sell. And this is a mid-term floor, though very risky, but we would like to pay attention to the price action. And cost of repeated touches is considered a psychological trend line. Every time its support is broken, price always do the needful. Anytime its resistance is broken, price always do the needful. So we'll be looking at it and based on the price action, we're only judging it based on what it's doing. So we continue to watch it and see based on the structure of the market. On the roof side, we have a psychological resistance. To break above this resistance structure, close of a 4 hours candle, we see us go higher. But if we fail to print a new high, then we go lower. The break of a 4 hours candle, you see us go back. From where we are, it's most likely that we are going down to test the first buy angle, or price might oscillate and come down again to the second buy angle. You have a resistance structure, a break of a resistance structure, retest 1, retest 2. So this is technically to test the structure of silver. This is the best way we can explain what silver is doing. It is expected that silver will surpass gold in demand based on industrial demand by 2030. In PV solar production, silver is in high demand. Recycling silver, it's not as easy as recycling gold. So that makes silver the future high demand metal. So this is the structure of SAG, and we'll be watching it to see if the top resistance is capable of bringing price to the buy angle, where we have an ascending trend line, previous support, previous support, break of a support ascending trend line, a retest 1, retest 2, retest 3, break of a resistance structure, return as support. So we want price to come back here to give us a support. But we have two technical areas to this. We have another floor. That was why we have a first buy angle, second buy angle. So we might have some deviation from this. Price might return here to play on the red line. So I'm going to change the color to blue. So it's likely price will fall back here to take away every buy idea on this floor based on the accumulation of liquid. You see the price accumulating liquid on ascending trend line could deviate and return here for a buy. So the return into this place will be a buy. In a more severe case, price might extend into our box. Our box also an important buying area. A support structure, break of a support structure, retest, break of a resistance structure, retest, retest, break of a support structure, retest, break of a resistance structure, retest. So price might also come into our box. Anywhere you see price there, hold. Yes. So that's what we've got for it.